Hey there, in today's video, I want to share with you the coolest volume indicator I've come across on the TradingView platform. If you're a seasoned trader, you're probably aware of how crucial volume is in the technical analysis. Some traders even argue that volume is more important than price itself. Now, there are various types of volume indicators out there, but the one I'll be talking about is the basic yet widely used version. You might already be familiar with it. It simply displays the volume for each period using bars. Before we dive into today's content, I want to quickly remind you to give the video a thumbs up and please consider sharing it with your friends. It helps us grow and keeps the knowledge flowing. Thanks a bunch for being a part of our journey. And let's jump right into the video. Many traders, including myself, often complement this volume indicator with a moving average line. This combo provides a more nuanced evaluation of volume, helping you determine if a candle's volume is above or below the average. This basic volume indicator is handy for gauging how bullish a candle is, but it has its limitations. I've got some exciting news for you. Bybit, the crypto exchange everyone's talking about. Imagine earning up to 30,000 USD in deposit rewards, enjoying zero maker fees for the first 30 days, and trading with the lowest spreads and fees in the market. Yes, it's all possible. And guess what? Bybit is among the top 3 global crypto exchanges. So why wait? Click the link below and dive into the action. Trust me, every trader needs to be on Bybit. Don't miss out. Let's make those trades count together. What's missing here is a measure of the strength of each bar relative to the others. It's not enough to know if a bar is above or below the average. We need a way to assess the varying degrees of bullish or bearish strength. Fortunately, there's an indicator that addresses this issue. Let's head over to the indicator section and look for the heat map volume. It's an extra special indicator crafted by this amazing scripter. Thanks to him or her, by the way. Now take a look at this. It appears below the chart, and if you compare it with the basic volume indicator, they seem identical. However, the new one introduces different colors, which actually have meaningful implications. Unlike the basic indicator, where colors merely match candle colors, these colors represent different levels of traded volume. The calculation is based on standard deviation from the average volume. In the indicator settings, you'll find threshold multipliers for standard deviations like 4, 2.5, 1, and even a minimum of minus 0.5. Each color signifies a special level of volume. Red for extra high, orange for high, yellow for medium, light blue for normal, and dark blue for low. Turning off the colored bars lets you analyze candles without distraction. Now, each color provides insights into the degree of volume. Pay close attention to red, orange, and yellow bars, as they signal significant increase in volume. For instance, during a flat market, an orange bar might indicate a strong move, potentially signaling a breakout. The higher the degree of the volume bar, the more crucial it is. Red bars, in particular, often precede substantial market movements, indicating heavy participation from institutional traders. Still struggling with budget and you want to trade big numbers? Well, unlock your trading potential with FundedNext, the prop trading firm that truly understands your success in Paramount. Here's why joining us is a game changer. Firstly, enjoy an unparalleled 15% profit share, a testament to our commitment to rewarding our hard work and success. Unlike other prop firms, FundedNext delivers on the promise of the world's best payout bonuses. Bid farewell to the stress of tight deadlines. With FundedNext, there's no time limit on most challenges, allowing you to trade at your own pace and unleash your full potential. True trading excellence requires focus and a stress-free environment. Our unique approach to drawdown calculations sets us apart. FundedNext calculates the maximum daily drawdowns based on your account balance, ensuring a fair and reliable assessment of your trading performance. We are dedicated to being the world's most reliable prop firm, experiencing the best trading conditions in the industry with raw spreads, including in swap-free accounts and the lowest commissions, just $3 per round lot on Forex pairs and commodities, and 0% per round lot on indices. Maximize your profit potentials with our competitive pricing. At FundedNext, you're not just a trader, you're part of a family. Benefit from pro support team, experienced professionals committed to assisting you every step of the way. Your success is our focus, and personalized guidance is a cornerstone of your trading journey. Choose FundedNext today. Elevate your trading experience. Don't settle for anything less than the best. Join us and unlock your trading potential. FundedNext, where your success matters. Don't hesitate to click and sign up on FundedNext down in the description or above here. This link is exclusively tailored by FundedNext for Income Nomad channel subscribers, and believe me, you're gonna be surprised. By categorizing volume degrees through moving averages and the standard deviations, this indicator enhances your ability to evaluate bullish or bearish strength in the market. It's a valued tool for making more informed trading decisions, especially when you're seeking confirmation through volume analysis. And that's a wrap for this video. Thanks for tuning in. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed yet, consider hitting that subscribe button and the bell icon for notifications on my future videos, which I'm uploading on a daily basis. Until next time, good luck with your trading.